Good day students, we are doing word problems of exercise 2C. In question number 8, our statement is Vikas can cover a distance of 20 into 2 by 3 kilometers in 7 into 3 by 4 hours on foot. How many kilometers per hour does he walks? So firstly we will write the distance covered by him in 7 into 3 by 4 hours, that is 20 into 2 by 3 kilometers. So the distance covered by him in 1 hour is 20 into 2 by 3 kilometers divided by 7 into 3 by 4. After that we will divide both these fractions, but firstly we will convert these mixed fractions into the simple fractions, and after that in the division of fractions we multiply the first fraction with the reciprocal of second fraction. In question number 9, the statement is Preeti bought 8 into 1 by 2 kg of sugar for rupees 242 into 1 by 4. Find the price of sugar per kg. So firstly we will write the cost of 8 into 1 by 2 kg sugar, that is rupees 242 into 1 by 2. So to find the cost of 1 kg sugar, we will divide the cost of this much of sugar by 8. So we will convert these mixed fraction into the simple fractions and divide both the fractions. And in the division of fractions we multiply the first fraction with the reciprocal of second fraction, and after cancelling the numbers which gets cancelled we will find our answer. In question number 10, the statement is if the cost of a notebook is rupees 27 into 3 by 4. How many notebooks can be purchased in rupees 249 into 3 by 4? So firstly we have written the cost of a notebook, that is rupees 27 into 3 by 4, and after that we have converted this mixed fraction into simple fraction. So the notebooks purchased in rupees 249 into 3 by 4 is this amount divided by the cost of a single notebook. So here also we will convert the mixed fraction into the simple fraction, and after that we will divide both these fractions, and in the division of fractions we multiply the first fraction with the reciprocal of second fraction, and after that we will get our answer. In question number 11, at a charity show the price of each ticket was rupees 32 into 1 by 2. The total amount collected by a boy was rupees 877 into 1 by 2. How many tickets were sold by him? So the price of each ticket is this much, and we have converted this mixed fraction into the simple fraction. After that the total amount collected was this much. We have also converted this mixed fraction into simple fraction, and to find the number of tickets sold we will divide the total amount collected by that person with the cost of single ticket, and after that we will get an answer. In the division of fractions we multiply the first fraction with the reciprocal of second fraction, and after cancelling the numbers we get an answer. In question number 13, the 24 liters of milk was distributed equally among all the students of a hostel. If each student got 2/5 liter of milk, how many students are there in the hostel? So firstly we will write the total amount of milk, that is 24 liters. Milk distributed to each student is 2/5 liters. So the number of students will be the total amount of milk divided by the amount of milk given to each student. And in the division of fractions, as 24 is not having denominator, we will suppose that 1 is its denominator. So it can be also written as 24 upon 1. So in the division of fractions we multiply the first fraction with the reciprocal of second fraction, and the reciprocal of 2/5 is 5/2. 2 and 24 gets cancelled, 12 5s are 60, and the number of students is 60.